Oh my gosh, 209 pounds. Amazing. This guy breaks. Is that a handmade? Are you really gonna... Okay, there you go. Okay, he actually pulled out a flamethrower, that's good. 15 pounds of junk. Then I killed a level 97. Let's see what he's got on him. I just killed 2 of them.
You still know how to only bully the fucking low levels, you piece of shit. Oh, what happened over there, Mr. Bully? Still see.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because he's gonna try to hit me with that fucking, Oh, he's east.
That's what you get, boy, for fucking bullying low levels.
But fucking, fucking low levels.
Shut up, goofball. He was like, more levels, yes, there's like some stupid shit. If he's east, I'm gonna probably have to flank because he's gonna have the high ground. I'm gonna go up here. He's north? Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna get up here then. Yep, I see him. Yeah, he's pretty fucking tanky for not being in power armor. Ah, I see. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright. He probably fucking hates the Resolve Breaker now.
What's up, boy?
Ooh, he actually got me into my health bar that time.
That hurts.
Yep.
Hide is like a fucking coward.
He's still seeking. Yeah, east. Oh, west? Okay. Okay. Alright. Yep. Doesn't do too bad of damage with that carbine. Oh, okay.
Ah, weak.
This one's right here, and the other one I think is east. I think. Let's see. Yep, we got one east right here. Yeah, this guy sucks, dude. This guy's not tanky at all. South? Okay. And west. I'll get this guy. Okay, I'm going south right now. Alright, got him. Nice. Easy. Nice. Yeah, we're fucking clapping these dudes. You know what that means? That means we get to argue with these guys when we're done fighting them. I got a hip east. Oh. Is he respawning right there? What the fuck? The other one... I don't see him. This guy dropped 4 pounds. Oh, south. South. Here he is, right here. Yeah. I don't see the other guy. Yeah. Mosquito, yeah. Yeah, it does enough damage where I can kind of clean house with it. Oh, you know what? I don't even have my fucking bobblehead or nothing, dude. Holy shit. I don't even have my bobblehead or my magazine either. Here, I'm about to fucking wreck these dudes now. I don't know where this other guy is. I think he fucked up. Maybe.